Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling Continuity Camera so the iPhone can act as a Mac webcam. On the iPhone, open Settings right arrow General right arrow AirPlay and Handoff and enable Continuity Camera. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. On the Mac, sign into the same Apple ID and confirm Handoff is enabled. Once done, connect the iPhone with a cable or keep it nearby for wireless. This gets the devices talking. Now open Zoom and prepare to select the iPhone as your camera. Next, choose the iPhone inside Zoom and arrange the shot. In Zoom, go to Preferences right arrow Video and pick your iPhone from the camera list. Doing this switches the feed immediately. Physically mount the phone at eye height using a tripod, clamp, or MagSafe mount so framing is stable. Then on the iPhone, swipe Open Control Center and enable Center Stage, Portrait, or Studio Light to improve composition and lighting. These steps produce a cleaner, more professional image so viewers focus on you. Finish by fine-tuning the picture and audio. Tap the iPhone screen to set focus and exposure and switch between front or rear camera for better optics. Select the iPhone as mic in Zoom if desired. Make a quick test meeting to confirm framing, audio levels, and latency. If the iPhone isn't detected, restart both devices, try another USB cable or port, and confirm both OS versions are up to date. This single restart often resolves permissions and connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.